Good morning, dear students. Welcome to the class of accountancy. So, let's start today work that is unsolved question number 27. We will solve this question today. This is the unsolved question of change in profit sharing ratio unit partnership. Okay, so let's read the statement first. PQR were partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 1 to 1 2. The old ratio is 1:1:2. On 31st March 2018, their balance sheet showed a debit balance of rupees 9,000. This is the loss. Okay. The balance sheet showed a debit balance means the balance sheet showed a loss of rupees 9,000 that was not written off till now. जो अभी तक पार्टनर्स के कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेबिट नहीं हुआ था, दैट्स वाई इट इज शोन इन द बैलेंस शीट in profit and loss account, and a workman compensation of rupees 64,000. Students, as I told you yesterday that workman compensation reserve is made out of profits and it is shown on the liability side of the balance sheet, so it is 64,000. From 1st April 2018, these balances are on 31st March, and on the next day they decided to change their ratio and they decide the new ratio 2 to 1. For this purpose it was decided that क्या क्या decide हुआ, 2 points are given here. Goodwill of the firm was valued rupees 4 lakh. Goodwill कितनी valued की गई? 4 lakh. I think you have got remember the questions up to 20 we did only the क्वेश्चंस रिगार्डिंग गुडविल, तो ये वही पॉइंट है. गुडविल वैल्यू की गई 4 लाख. इसको हम सेक्रीफाइसिंग और गेनिंग रेशियो में एडजस्ट करेंगे. एंड सेकंड इज ए क्लेम ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ WCR वर्कमैन कंपनसेशन वाज एडमिटेड रुपीज़ 30,000 के भी ये जो 64,000 का क्लेम पहले से हमारा शो हो रखा था, इसमें से हमारा जो क्लेम है वो सिर्फ 30,000 का, मीन्स इस 30,000 को हमने बैलेंस शीट में आगे के लिए लेके जाना है. बचा हुआ जो है 34 रह गया, दैट इज़ टू बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड अमंग द पार्टनर्स इन द ओल्ड रेशियो. ओके, पास द जर्नल एंट्रीज. So here 3 things are given to adjust. One is profit and loss balance, second is your goodwill, and third is your workman compensation. Okay, so let's start. The old ratio is 1:1:2. The new ratio of partners 2:1. Sacrificing ratio. Why we need to calculate sacrificing ratio in this question? Because we have to make the adjustment of goodwill. Okay, so old ratio minus new ratio, P sacrifice QR. हमने जब कैलकुलेट किया then we find that P's answer is in minus, so he is gaining due to change in profit sharing ratio. P gains 3/20. Q also gains 3/20 and R sacrifice 6/20. तो एज आई टोल्ड यू अर्लियर ऑल्सो कि जो पार्टनर्स गेन कर रहे हैं दे विल बी डेबिटेड बाय देयर शेयर इन द गुडविल, एंड द पार्टनर हु इज सेक्रीफाइसिंग ही और शी विल बी क्रेडिटेड बाय हिज शेयर ऑफ गुडविल. ओके, सो सी फर्स्ट केस में हम देखते हैं ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ गुडविल ओनली. P's capital account debit 3/20 is gaining. The total amount of goodwill you may see in the question. Where is the total goodwill? This is the total goodwill. 4 lakh multiply 320, that is 60,000. The same 60,000 of Q also, and R will be credited by 1,20,000. Why 120? Because 620 is the sacrificing. 4 lakh multiply 6/20, that is, and you will write in narration that goodwill adjusted in sacrificing and gaining ratio. So that was the treatment of goodwill only. Now see the treatment of profit and loss. First of all, so I want to tell you that in this question it is not asked about the treatment of profit and loss, but you will have to give it yourself. Okay, so because this is the loss, so partners capital account will be debited in which ratio? In their old ratio. In their old ratio, that will be write off. So P and Q are account debit. P is capital account debit, Q's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट, R's कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस। 9,000 को हम किस रेशो में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे? दैट वाज देयर ओल्ड रेशो एंड ओल्ड रेशो वाज 1:1:2। तो 1:1:2 में आपने इसको जब राइट ऑफ किया तो दीज आर द शेयर। So that was the treatment of profit and loss. Now we come on treatment of workman compensation reserve. Listen student, in this question total 64,000 was the balance. 30,000 is the claim. So remaining 34,000 will be transferred to partners capital account. Okay. So you may see कि हमने कैसे इसको adjust किया है. We have adjusted workman compensation account debit 64,000 to provision for WCR account workman compensation reserve that is 30। बचा हमारे पास कितना? 34। इस 34 को हमने ओल्ड रेशो में, किस में? ओल्ड रेशो में, दैट वाज 1:1:2। व्हेन यू विल कैलकुलेट यू विल फाइंड 13,600 the same and 6,800। and one more thing I want to tell you here that after their change in profit sharing ratio 64,000 will not be shown in the books, only 30,000 will be shown in the books of accounts. Okay, so do question number 26, I think it was, yes, 27 today, and we will discuss the next question tomorrow. Till then, bye, be safe.